3, 2, 1. And the answer is hepatitis. Next question. I'm known to have lots of fats in me, but the truth is I'm very rich in potassium. 4, 3, 2, 1. And done. 11 people have answered this correct. Let's see the scoreboard.
So now this is basically a healthy eating plate. This is as per the US standards that they're showing. Where if you see this, first the highest or the most, you could say the area covered is by vegetables. So they're more into your veggies. Then you have your grains and proteins, which are equivalent balanced. And then your fruits, and along with it, your water and fat intake also has to be. So if I have to ask all of you guys, to think of, okay, what should a meal consist of? You will have to think in these terms. What comes in through my cereals? What is the proteins that I'm taking? What is my veggies, my vitamins and minerals coming in through what? How much of water am I drinking? How much of fat overall do I take in the entire day? So what I want to know is, now when we say macronutrients, that means this contributes to the major chunk of your calories. Okay? The major macronutrients are going to be your carbohydrates, proteins, fats.
People say that potato is not good for our health, and some say that potato is good for our health.
Okay, so what happens is, why do we say, remember I told you about complex and simple carbs, right? Now the thing with potato is, why we say no is it's extremely high carbohydrate, yes, but when it breaks down into your body, it immediately increases your blood sugar levels. So simple carbs always are lesser in fiber. It will give a spike to your sugar level. If the sugar level goes up, your body is not able to handle it. So whatever is not burnt will get converted to fat. That's the reason why we control on potato. Okay. Now, if you're having, say, a mixed sabzi, jisme aapka 5-6 potato pieces aaya, dear, there's no problem. You can have it. There's no issues. But if somebody is having every day, then yes, I say it's a problem. Second thing is, better than potato, ideally, healthier is sweet potato. So if you can switch to that, nothing like it. So I think I got 18 diet plans, and out of those 18, I was supposed to say who's the best. This person had 3 meals in a day. Actually, 3 to 4 is what he wrote, so I was happy with that as well. Milk, 2 glasses in a day, so I was extremely happy with that as well. Fruits was daily, so that was also good. And he was very specific, and he gave me that option where I could see that he knows his protein, because he did mention that he has either soya or he has paneer or he has dal. And his water intake was also a good 10 to 12 glasses. So if you have to ask me whose recall was the best one, it is Raj Salunke.
I made a pesto honey bruschetta, which has so the star ingredient is basil leaves, that is pesto, and honey.
So what I have prepared is basically, it's called Nutri-Bites. So I've used a few dry fruits like dates, almonds, cashew nuts, raisins, and I've also used poppy seeds.
For the upgrade, we use chana dal, urad dal, moong dal, tur dal.